Hello, welcome to Academy Guru. This is your demonstration video of AutoCAD. First, when you will start your AutoCAD software, you will have icon on a screen AutoCAD 2016, 17, 18, which version is you installed in your laptop, and software link will be provided from us. You can double click on particular icon and AutoCAD will be open like this. This is your welcome screen of AutoCAD. In today's session, I will tell you about the introduction of AutoCAD, means how can you initiate your mechanical, architect, electrical and plumbing drawing in AutoCAD. AutoCAD is a basic software for all streams. You can create a basic drawing of mechanical, electrical, architectural, civil and also fashion CAD. You can initiate all basic drawing from the AutoCAD. So if AutoCAD is used for 2D and 3D modeling, you can create drafting in AutoCAD, and you also can create this 3D model concepts in AutoCAD. So when you will start your first drawing, you have to click on Start Drawing option. You can click here. After clicking on Start Drawing, this is your first drawing view. And you can see this is your X and Y axis. This is user coordinate system. So in today's session, I will tell you about the basic introduction of AutoCAD and basic interface of AutoCAD. So in AutoCAD, you will continue only two parts, 2D and 3D. In 2D part, you will cover these tools, to draw toolbar and modification toolbar, and more commands of these draw toolbar. You can click on this drop down arrow and you can access all the commands from here, and also you can use shortcut key for using these draw and modification toolbar commands. If you want to create anything on this page or on this layout, so you have to select particular drawing from here. You can select circle, line, rectangle, arc and ellipse. Suppose I want to create a rectangle. You can click on rectangle, you can pick particular point and you can define rectangle like this, and also you can define its dimension. So suppose you want to create a rectangle about 5 by 4, so you can define its dimension as 5. You will press comma and you will define its next dimension, suppose 4. You can press enter. Rectangle will be created here. If you want to create anything, you will use draw toolbar. If you want to modify anything, you will use modification toolbar. Suppose you want to create a copy of this object. First you need to select particular object. You can click on particular command copy, and you also can use its shortcut key, suppose CO. You can press enter. You can pick particular point from which location you want to copy this object, and you can copy this object like this. So this is the basic introduction of command, how you will initiate any command in AutoCAD. Next one, you can select your entire drawing and you can right click and erase or delete your drawing. Next one is when you will initiate your project. First of all, you have to set units. If you are using mechanical drawing, you will set your unit in mm. If you are using architect or civil drawing, you have to initiate your drawing as feet, inches or mm or inches. So how can you change your units? First you have to use a shortcut key for the unit. You can press UN, enter. Then you will have drawing units option. You can define its type as decimal if you are using as mm, inches or a particular format. You can select units in a unit scale from here. You can choose that mm, centimeter, meter, miles and yards. If you want to continue as architectural drawing, you can click on architect. You can define its precision as 0 dash, double dash. You can select it as inches, then click on OK. When you will continue any command, you are continuing a line, you can see its line is creating in inches. You also can set your limit, set your drawing limit like this. You can define its value. Suppose you want to create a line about 4 feet 6 inches. Then press enter. This line will be about 4 feet 6 inches. You can double click on this line and you can see its property. And next is how you can change its grid view. These graphical lines are grid view. If you want to hide this grid view, you can click on this model modes. In bottom left side you will have all these modes, which is visible in blue color, these modes are on, which is visible in white color, these all modes are off. So if you want to off this grid mode, you can click here, grid mode will be on off from here. Next one is ortho mode. If you want to continue a line is not straight, you can create line at your own point where you are putting point. If you want to create a straight line, means horizontal, vertical, straight, you can click on this ortho mode. You also can use its shortcut key F8. You can press F8 and you also can click here. You can create only straight line by activating ortho mode. If you want to deactivate ortho mode, you can create line according to your requirement. If you want to create a line at particular angle, first you need to define the first point and you can define a length of line. Suppose I want to create a 4 feet line at particular angle. After defining 4 feet, you have to press tab from your keyboard and you can define its angle. Suppose I want to create a line of 4 feet at 30 degree. You will define its angle, then press enter. That line is at 30 degree angle. You also can measure its angle. Next one is dynamic input. When you are creating any line or any object, so you can see, suppose I am taking circle, you can see its value is visible here, means which radius you are creating. So if it's not visible, it means dynamic input is off. Dynamic input means F12 is the shortcut key of dynamic input. If I am switching, if I am deactivating this mode, your circle radius is not visible. If you will activating this mode, circle radius again will be visible. So this is the mode dynamic input. You can continue it by F12 shortcut key. So this is all about basic introduction of AutoCAD. Thank you so much.